Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ad front button not showing on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and search here Facebook. Okay, then you need to update Facebook. Then you need to go back and open Facebook application, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on your see your profile, and then you need to click on three dots on the right side and click on view as. So here you can see that add friend button is not showing. So how you can get that? You simply need to go back and scroll down here and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings. Here you need to scroll down and click on privacy settings, and then you need to click on privacy shortcuts. Check a few important things. Okay, so here your activity who can see your future posts, click on that and change that to everyone, public. Okay, once you done that, you simply need to go back, and then here you need to click on who can see the people page and list you follow, and click on public. Then you need to go back, and here you can see the option of who can see your stories. So here you can select public. Okay, then you need to click on who can send you a friend request and click on everyone. Okay, then you need to go back and click on see your profile, and then you need to click on three dots and click on view as. So here you can see that now add friend button is now showing. So by following these steps you can easily fix add friend button not showing on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.